Hello everyone, welcome back, and today I'm going to be making a tomato basil soup, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make it step by step. But I didn't record step by step because my mom recorded me, so yeah. Anyway, let's get started. And really, if a 16-year-old can make it, then really anyone can make it, so yeah. First you need a pot for your soup and a pan for your roux. This is all the ingredients. I'm gonna just leave it up here for a couple of seconds so you can look at it. How to make it step by step. First you need your pot, then you grab olive oil and you put it just below the bottom. Then after, you grab your cutting board and you grab your carrots and you chop them until they're little itty bitty pieces. And then you basically just put it to the side, and then do the same with the 1 onion and 3 garlic cloves. Set the oven at medium heat. Once you have everything inside the pan, you need 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Add your oregano and dried basil. Add a can of sliced tomatoes. Set it to a gentle boil until the vegetables are cooked. Use an immersion blender to help break down the tomato bits. Now prepare the roux. Inside your separate pan, add butter. Wait until it melts. Then add your flour. Make sure to whisk and pour the flour at the same time until it gets thick, and golden brown is when it's cooked. Grab some of your soup and put it in the roux. Mix and keep adding more until it's soft. Now go back to your pot and pour the roux into the pot. Make sure to mix it. Next, add your milk slowly and make sure you're on low heat. Next, add salt, pepper, leaves, and powdered mozzarella cheese. And now you're done! Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to turn on the notification bell to be notified when I post a new video. Thank you for watching!